right. There was a truck and we got what we need. Is the generator working?
It wasn't strong enough. I drew too much current. Burnt it out. I'm sorry.
How long before the reactor melts down?
12 hours. Maybe a day.
So we'll finish the plane by then?
I can fix the generator. I can still buy you time.
Is that the truth, Grace? Can you really do that?
It might be the truth. I can try. I have to try. I'll meet you at the truck stop when I'm done. You copy?
Yeah. Yeah, I copy.
Morgan?
Truck stop is about 10 miles from here. It's marked on this map. You shower, you change your clothes, you help Luciana get those on, and I'll meet you there.
You said she was coming back.
She did. But she was just saying it. I was in her house, Victor. I saw who she was. When she still thought she had something left to live for. Get back. Finish the plane. I'll meet you there as soon as I can.
Better.
Yeah.